What if I told you that just 10 seconds without oxygen could bring the entire planet to its knees? Backhand index pointing right, planes would fall from the sky, buildings would turn to dust, and your lungs? They'd feel like they're on fire. Beat. This isn't science fiction. It's a glimpse into a terrifying, what-if scenario that you'll never forget. Act 1. Your body begins to shut down. The human brain can survive without oxygen for a few minutes, but panic sets in instantly. In just seconds, people would lose consciousness. Your lungs would feel crushed, your heart rate would spike, and your body would go into full survival mode. Act 2. The sky turns deadly. Commercial airplanes rely on oxygen for combustion. In an instant, every jet engine would stall. Thousands of planes mid-air would lose control and start plummeting. Buildings begin to crumble. Oxygen keeps structural metals like steel strong and rigid. Remove it even briefly and metal begins to weaken. Skyscrapers and bridges would bend, twist, and some would collapse entirely. Act 3. The world goes silent. No oxygen equals no fire. Every flame, from candles to forest fires, would instantly die out. Even sound waves wouldn't travel the same. Imagine total, eerie silence across the planet. Act 4. When oxygen returns. After just 10 seconds, oxygen comes back. But nothing is the same. Fires reignite. Alarms go off. Chaos unfolds. But the damage is done. Crashes, collapses, and confusion everywhere. Final thought plus CTA. Narrator, calm but impactful. We take oxygen for granted. It's invisible, but it holds our entire world together. 10 seconds without it, and life as we know it falls apart. If this blew your mind, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to see this, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.